First, remove and unwrap all items at the top of the box, including the cables and Quick Start Guide. Next, remove the scanner from the foam packaging and remove the protective wrapping, including the front film and screen protector. Open the scanner by pressing on the black button. Then, pull the face forward to remove the sheet inside. Locate the feeder tray and take note of the feeder tray slots. Align the tabs on the bottom of the feeder tray with the slots below the yellow marked arrows. Insert the tray into the slot and push the tray backwards until it snaps into place. Both white tabs should be securely snapped, and the tray should be unable to be removed. Pull out the feeder tray extension from the top of the feeder tray, then close the face of the scanner until it snaps into place. Adjust the sliders on the top of the feeder tray to the width of your documents before scanning. Extend the paper output tray by firmly pulling the output tray from the bottom of the scanner until fully extended. Connect the power cable to the AC adapter, then plug into the back of the scanner and into a power outlet. Connect an Ethernet cable, if available, otherwise power on the scanner. Follow the instructions on the screen to set up Wi-Fi if you choose not to use an Ethernet connection. Log into your Raven account or click Sign Up to create a free account in seconds. You are now ready to insert documents into the feeder tray and begin scanning. For help, visit raven.com/support or contact Raven Support.